Congratulations on purchasing your new iTero intraoral scanner. The simple Make It Mine process registers and connects the iTero scanner in 7 easy steps. This will ensure it is suited to your practice workflow and ready to work. The first step is changing your temporary password. Open the email containing the login credentials that you received from iTero. Access the MyiTero.com portal from any computer and log in with your username and the temporary password provided in the email. A prompt will request that you change your password. Click OK. Type in the temporary password and your new password. Select the security question and type in the answer. Click Submit. The next steps are performed on the scanner. After assembling the scanner and turning it on, select the language and tap Make It Mine. Select the clinic Wi-Fi network and tap Connect. When the scanner is connected, tap Next. Wait for verification of communication with a line. When finished, tap Next. Select the relevant time zone and tap Next. Enter your email and the new password created on the MyiTero.com portal and the company ID, which appears in the email together with your login credentials. Tap Next. The scanner configuration displays the purchase subscription package. Tap Next. Read the license agreement, select the checkbox to accept the terms, and tap Next. The system will now check for the latest software and install updates, if relevant. Tap Next. The system is now ready for use. Tap Login to iTero Element. Select your name and enter the account email and new password. Tap Login. In case you encounter any issues during the registration process, contact your customer care center. Congratulations! Your iTero scanner is now registered and connected to Align Technology servers. You can start scanning and exploring the system. It starts with iTero.